So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how easy it is to actually use the Wonder Brush itself. So start off with the base, which is actually battery powered. You then want to choose one of the light brush attachments here. Pop it onto the end of the base. I'm then going to pick up my brush and pop it into the end of the brush attachment like so. As you can see, it's really secure, it's not coming out. So there's a baby shampoo in here at the moment, just a small amount just to clean the brush. So you've got two settings on this brush. So I'm going to click it just once to start off with, and I'm going to pop it into the water and press the button. Dip in and out of the water just to get some movement on the brush. And I'm going to click the button twice so it starts spinning really fast, and just hold it in there. The water's completely changed colour with the product coming off the brush. So there's been 20 seconds. I'm going to take the brush out of there. It is honestly completely dry. I could put my face powder on right now, and as you can see, it's pretty much good as new. Anything that is efficient, quick and easy to use definitely gets a thumbs up from me.